Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to remove the sign in user account picture that appears when you are signing in to your Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. So if you are want to completely remove any images and just have your name, no profile icon above it, let's jump straight into it guys. Go to search menu and type registry RGES registry editor. Want to click on run as administrator over here. Let's wait guys. Run as administrator, click on it guys. Click yes. Now in registry you want to go to HKey local machine and you want to go to software, expand the software folder and you want to search for Microsoft. Expand the Microsoft folder and we want to go to Windows. Click on anything and type W in keyboard guys, easy to find it. Go to Windows, expand it guys. After Windows you want to search for current version, expand it and go to policies. Click anything here and type P in keyboard. You can easily find it. Policies, expand it. Want to go to policies. On here you want to click on Explorer. On right side you want to right click and click new and devote 32 value. We want to name it as U capital S E use D capital E F A U L T D E F A U L T F A U L T and T capital I L E tile. Double press enter. Want to double click on it and you want to change this value data to 1 and click OK. That's it guys. Go back again. Go ahead and restart your PC for make changes guys. And that's it for today's video. I hope this tutorial definitely worked for you guys. Thanks for watching my video and restart it.